Got a little limb to cut up here on a sunny, windy day in January 2021. We'll cut that right there down the next trip. Here's my weapons of choice. It's going to be a Homelite day, a 330, an old blue, and a XXL 925. First time I'll be using that out in the field. I test cutted it with me on my wood yard. My helper, my wife Debbie. Say hi, Debbie.
Hello.
We'll be back. I hope y'all can hear that. That's the gas boiling in this 925. That's the first for me. But it's the first time I've used a saw in the field. Well, when you got old saws, you better know how to work on them. 925. Paper lock. Yeah, wood is just too big for the old blue. The manual all wasn't working quite right either. The 330, it was too small also, just 18-inch bar. So, I didn't buy this. From that, Santa Claus brought me that. I got a wonderful sister. 32-inch Samira, excuse me. Anyhow, after I get it warmed up, I'll make another clip. Well, I guess y'all have noticed the drag's too short. I'm bad about that. It'll be alright in a couple of hours. But it was getting the job done. Now we gotta do some blocking. Got it up into blocks to where we can load it. We'll be back. Every firewood color needs a wipe like this. I cut, she loads. Anyhow, the reason I started this clip. You guys ain't never had a long bar. You gotta watch this. It'll cut okay with loose chain if you're cutting vertically, but if you lay that thing over on the side, the slack of that chain to come up from under that bar, and it'll hook that bar and jerk it right off. Also, on these longer bars, you need to run your oiler wide open. Don't ask me how I know that. Well, we got it done. We took our time. Anyhow, this is a 6x14 trailer. That's mainly one limb off of this tree, except for a little bit of stuff that somebody left, cut and left on the ground. This is about half rotten, but it didn't need to be split much, and it'll burn. So we got one more trip to make, and I hope that's gonna that'll do it. But I'm gonna cut that thing down right there. Anyhow, the farmer said he wants to cut off about 3 feet above the ground, which is fine with me. Anyhow, he's gonna clean up all the brush. He's gonna shove all that over in the woods. That's that much less work we gotta do. So, anyhow, hope y'all enjoyed the vid. Goodbye.